My name is Agnès Petit and I'm CEO and founder of MOBBOT. And I would like to start my presentation with this picture that I took from a car. I was stuck in a traffic jam due to a construction work here ahead. And I'm sure that it happened to all of you to be stuck in a traffic jam due to a construction head for a new road or renovation of a road. And the worst is that you're watching this without having the potential to help or to see what is happening on this works. You're watching these workers far in the back. Some of them have hands in the pocket, watching in the trench, and you're wondering, what are they doing? Why are they not working? And this was exactly what happened to me on this construction site. Can you next slide? Can you put next slide? So one of the challenge when you construct road and infrastructure is that in urbanized area you have a lot of underground obstacles, such as pipes for water, telecommunication, electricity cables, and this is around all urbanized area. And one of the challenge that you have when you construct a road like this is that every 15 meters in urban areas and every 250 meters in extra urban areas, you have concrete elements, what we call cable chambers, that enable technician to go underground and use this utility or adapt utilities such as electricity, energy, or water cables. The problem of the construction industry is that we are working the same way since about 100 or 50 years, using either cast-in-place methods, like casting a mold, then pouring concrete, demolding it. It offers a lot of flexibility, and it's pretty rapid to build an element like underground element, but still it takes 3 to 5 days. The other possibility is to use precast element. And the problem is that in urbanized area, you have so many obstacles already existing underground that most of the time, in 80% of the time, you have to build a bespoke product. So the solution that we are providing at MOBBOT, next slide, please, is a 3D printing solution, which include a design interface, then the 3D printing system. So it's a 3D printing 3D printer. So it's a robot that with additive manufacturing produce an element of concrete, and you can deliver this element only 24 hours later. So an element for what we call today cable chambers is produced within 1 hour and delivered 24 hours afterwards on the production, on the construction site. Next slide, please. So we are a pretty young company, only less than 3 years old. We have built the first year the technology, which is based on sprayed concrete, robotics, and automation. And the second year was dedicated to show the market acceptance of our solution. We have finished more than 11 projects, more than 100 tons already delivered on different projects in Switzerland. For mainly utility products. Why utility products? Again, because that's where you have the most need for adapted bespoke product which show a high flexibility. Next slide, please. And now, since a couple of months actually, we have entered a new commercialization phase, and our business model is not to provide these chambers to the construction site. What we are offering is the entire 3D printing solution. Maybe you can start here the video, please. We offer a 3D printing robot that sprays the concrete, and you see that it's spraying an element here for utility products within only 1 hour. Can you get back, please, to the slide? Yes. So we have now partnered with companies that are which are precast players, so concrete manufacturers here in Switzerland that are equipped with our robots and can produce massively mass customized products for utility products. So for them, it's really like the first step into digital fabrication or the industry 4.0. What is the 3D printing solution offering customers and the end users, which are construction company or real estate owners, is actually a high flexibility when they are developing their projects. Being able to modify until just the last minute before the printing, the shape of what needs to be printed. It's up to 25 times faster than cast-in-place methods. So an element like this of about 800, 900 liter is produced within only 1 hour instead of 20, 30 hours of manual work. And and also very importantly, it also enables to reduce the total CO2 footprint of constructed utility products. And this has a significant impact also on the construction industry. Next slide, please. So you have probably all heard about 3D printing, 3D printed houses in China, in Netherlands. MOBBOT, we have taken the decision to focus on a very specific approach, this utility product, because it's an existing market, an existing problem, and we have the solution for this. But what makes us different from what you have probably seen on YouTube, this existing 3D printing solution, is that thanks to the spraying of concrete, which is our innovation and patent, we are compatible with existing norms and standards. The final product, the performance of the final products is similar to a prefabricated element. But most importantly for our customer, they can use their own local raw materials, standard conventional concrete, which in comparison with existing 3D printing makes the entire solution 3 to 5 times cheaper. And last but not least, thanks to the fact that we're using sprayed concrete, we can also integrate rebars. Last slide, please. So today, as I said, we are focusing very strongly on utility products and infrastructure, and our mission and goal is to provide a new way to construct infrastructure. If you want to know more, if you have any projects that you want to collaborate on with MOBBOT, just get in touch and I would be really happy to discuss the next step with you. Thank you.